before moving forward, I would like to tell you that if you are facing any issue in the video voice, then maybe it is due to YouTube auto dedubbing. So you have to choose one of these options if you are facing any issue in the video voice. Okay, so here you can see that this is the document that you receive when you apply for your Carta di Identità in Comune. So as you can see that here they have written that prima meta dai tui codici PIN e PAC. Meta is for half, so you receive this first half of your PIN and PAC when you apply in Comune for Carta di Identità. So you can see that this is the first part and this is the second part, and second 4 digit of PIN and second 4 digit of PAC you will receive once your Carta di Identità is ready and you receive Carta di Identità, and also with the Carta you receive the second half of both PIN and PAC. So once the Carta di Identità is ready, you will receive it from Comune or at your home, and with the Carta di Identità, as I told you, that you will receive the second part of your PIN and PAC, and later we will use this code to activate our Carta di Identità. And similarly on this page or the other page, you will also receive, you will see the QR code, and you can scan this QR code to download the app. The app name is CIE ID, that's in Carta di Identità ID. So you can use this QR code, or you can go to the Apple Play or Google Store and you can download this app CIE ID. Okay, download the app CIE ID and then open it. So then just move to the next tab, click on Avanti or just slide to the right side. These are just introductory information. Scroll down and accept terms and conditions. Click on Avanti, Accetta. Then here you will see two tabs. So you have to click on the second tab, Accedi con lettura carta. Okay, again slide to the right side or click on Avanti. These are some information. For example, you have to place your Carta di Identità from the back side in front of mobile phone, and make sure that your NFC is activated. So you have to wait a few seconds. These are just instructions that how you have to attach. So if there is a cover on the mobile phone, then try to remove the cover so that NFC can work. So these are just guidelines that you have to follow when you are performing this activation. So now enter the 8-digit PIN, first 4 digit that you have obtained when you have applied for Carta di Identità, and the last 4 digit of PIN that you received when you received your Carta di Identità. So 8-digit PIN. So there is an error. They said that our NFC is not activated. So first we have to activate our NFC and then we can try again. So we have activated a NFC on the mobile phone and now it will work. So as you can see that it is ready to scan. So place carta di identità from the back side, from the barcode side, just in front of your mobile phone, and make sure that there is no cover on the mobile phone. So as you can see that it has started scanning the carta and it is completed. So click on configure. So here you can see that this is the option that you have to use whenever you want to log in on any website like INPS, Prefettura, or any other website. So like you use SPID, here you have to use CIE. So whenever you are using CIE on the laptop or computer, you have to open the QR code and you have to scan. So this is the method that you can use to log in on different Italian public website or private website using CIE. So there are many other functions that you can use on the CIE app. So click on the three horizontal bars on the top left side, and here you can change your carta di identità. You can manage your carta di identità. If you have obtained the new one, you can add the new one and you can remove the current one. So this way you can change or manage your carta di identità. So this is the home page. Whenever you want to log in on any website, you have to click here, open the app, and then click Intracon QR code. For example, this is the website of INPS, as you can see that, and if you want to log in, we have to click on CIE, and here you can see that we have many options, the PIN, SPID and CIE. So if you want to use your carta di identità app, CIE ID app, then you have to click here on CIE, and then you have to click on Intracon CIE, and you have to open your app on your mobile phone and you have to click on Intracon QR code on your app, and then you will be logged in on this website. So open the CIE app and click on Intracon QR code, and you will see that this is an error because our CIE app is not activated yet. So to activate, you have to click here, Certifica il Depositivo. So click here, and then you have to click here, Attivare ora. So click here. Then you have to click on Intracon CIE, and then place your carta di identità from the back side in front of your mobile phone. So as you can see, authenticazione in corso. So it is completed. Now click on Prosegui. And you will receive first an OTP on your mobile phone. So if this mobile phone is correct, then click on Continua and you will receive an OTP. So click OTP and then click on Continua. Next, you will have to verify your email ID. So check if email ID is correct, then click on Continua, and you will also receive an OTP on your email. So enter your OTP that you have received on email. So after verifying both your mobile phone number and email ID, you will arrive here. Here you can see your codice fiscale, the number of your carta di identità, and your email ID. Next, you have to create your password. So next we have to create our password. So create your password using these rules and then scroll down and click on this box. So scroll down and read all these terms and privacy. Click on prosegue and then click on continue. So as you can see that registration has been completed. I would like to tell you at the end that you can register your mobile phone or your device for CIE app, and then you will not need to scan your carta de identidad every time. So for this, click on the second tab, Acceso Simplificado, the second tab, and then enter your carta de identidad number, códice fiscal or email, and your password that you have set for your CIE ad. Enter the passcode of your mobile phone number. So just follow the procedure, enter any of these three things and password, and then move to next step. So you will receive OTP, so use this OTP during this process. Okay, here you can create your codice for this CIE ID app using alphanumeric number and some characters and some numbers, 6-digit, 6 alphanumeric codice. So all these three fields are okay with green, so no click on next step. So click on it's your choice, you want to activate notification, no, and then importantly you have to write the name of your device. So write the correct name of your device and then click on prosegue. So as you can see that device has been registered. So this is the method you can register your device, and then you do not need to scan carta de identidad every time.